Discover 3176 6th Street in Fairview, Montana, a charming 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home that beautifully blends historic character with modern updates. The open-concept kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring sleek laminate countertops, hickory cabinetry, and a full suite of stainless steel appliances that combine style with function. The living room provides a warm and welcoming retreat, ideal for relaxing or enjoying quality moments with loved ones. On the same floor, there is a convenient bathroom for added comfort. Just upstairs, you'll find an additional bedroom that's perfect for guests, a hobby room, or a cozy retreat. There is also a spacious master bedroom and a full bathroom, offering comfortable living spaces for everyone. Just one floor down from the main level, you'll find the convenient laundry room, making daily chores easier and more accessible. The finished basement adds 640 square feet of versatile space, ideal for a family room, workspace, or fitness area. Additionally, the basement includes a full bathroom, providing convenience and added functionality to the lower level. There's also a creative space, perfect for a studio, hobby room, or quiet retreat. The basement includes an extra bedroom, ideal for guests or families seeking privacy and comfort. This home combines style and coziness, perfect for your lifestyle and lasting memories.